Let's be real for a second. You love the idea of getting those epic cinematic drone shots, but the reality of actually owning and flying a drone, yeah, not so much. Well, today we're looking at the HoverAir X1 PRO, a little device that says it can fix all of that. So is it just a clever gimmick, or is it a genuine game changer? Let's find out.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. Why do so many of us, even if we think drones are cool, not actually own one? Or if we do, why does it just sit on a shelf collecting dust? There's a very good reason for that. I mean, come on, you know the feeling, right? You see some amazing video online, you think, wow, I want to shoot stuff like that. But then your brain immediately starts thinking about the reality of it all, and it just feels like way too much work.
And this, right here, this is the whole dilemma. First, you're lugging around a big clunky case. Then you gotta find a spot, spend forever setting it up, fiddling with an app, waiting for a GPS lock, and then comes the actual stress of flying it. You're terrified you're gonna crash your super expensive gadget, or worse, fly it too close to somebody. It's a huge barrier for most people.
But what if the answer wasn't just a slightly better drone, but a totally different way of thinking about it? That's exactly where the HoverAir X1 PRO steps in. In fact, the company behind it really doesn't want you to think of it as a drone at all. I love this framing. A personal flying cameraman. That one phrase really tells you everything you need to know about its philosophy. The point here isn't for you to become a pilot. The point is to have a tool that gets the shot for you automatically. And they are not kidding about the size. This thing is genuinely phone-sized. It folds up and you can literally just slip it into your pocket. And that is a huge deal because you know what they say, the best camera is the one you actually have with you. Its portability means you're just way more likely to use it for those spontaneous moments. And this right here, this is its other superpower, this idea of instant on, instant fly. So instead of that whole 5-minute setup dance, you just unfold it, turn it on, and it is ready to launch from your hand. It completely kills that setup anxiety that stops you from even bothering to get a shot with a normal drone. And just look at this design, the propellers are totally enclosed. Now, that might seem like a small thing, but it is absolutely transformative. It just removes the fear factor. You can launch it from your palm, you can fly it indoors, you can use it around people without that constant worry about exposed spinning blades. It just makes the whole thing feel so much more friendly and approachable. All right, so it sounds great on paper, right? It's tiny, it's quick, it's safe, but the big question is, does it actually deliver the goods? Let's talk about performance and see what this thing can do in the real world. The speed is just wild. You literally unfold the arms, hit the power button, tap the other button to pick your flight mode, and just let it go from your palm. The claim is under 15 seconds from your pocket to up in the air, and honestly, that is not an exaggeration. It's ridiculously fast. And here's where the real magic is. You don't fly it, you direct it. You just pick one of these pre-programmed shots, like having it orbit around you or follow you as you walk, and it just does it perfectly. It's like having your own little movie director and camera crew, so literally anyone can get these amazing complex shots with zero skill. Okay, what about the video quality? So it shoots in 2.7K, not 4K. But you know what? For what most of us are doing, posting to social media, making fun videos, the footage is fantastic. It's crisp, the colors look great, and the stabilization is just buttery smooth. You get really professional looking video without any of that jerky amateur hour nonsense. So how long does this thing actually stay in the air? Well, they advertise about 24 minutes. In the real world, you're looking at closer to 18 or 20 minutes of actual use, which for something this tiny is actually pretty darn good. The takeaway is simple though. If you're gonna be out shooting for a while, you'll definitely want to buy an extra battery. So it sounds pretty amazing so far, but you and I both know that no gadget is perfect. So it's time for a little reality check. Let's see how it actually stacks up and, more importantly, where it falls short. Now, this is a really important way to look at it. The X1 PRO isn't trying to beat a DJI Mini on specs. It's competing on experience. Sure, the DJI is a more capable drone if you're a skilled pilot, but for just grabbing it and getting a shot quickly, easily, and safely, the HoverAir is playing a whole different game. They're different tools for different jobs. So with all that praise, you knew there had to be a catch, right? Well, there is, and it's one major glaring annoyance that you really need to know about before you even think of buying one. And here it is, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. That's it, no micro SD card slot, you can't expand it. For a camera that shoots beautiful video, this is a massive pain point. It means you're going to be constantly offloading footage to your phone, especially if you use it a lot. It is just a baffling design choice in what is otherwise a brilliant little device. Okay, let's wrap this all up. When you take the incredible convenience and you weigh it against that one big annoyance, who should actually go out and buy this thing?
Honestly, the verdict is pretty simple. If you just want amazing, hands-free video without any of the fuss, this is for you. It's for the person who cares more about capturing the moment than tweaking flight settings. But if you're a serious pilot who needs that 4K quality and total manual control, you're going to want to stick with the traditional drone.
And this quote really just says it all, doesn't it? For the vast majority of people out there who are just drone curious, who want those cool shots without the massive learning curve, the HoverAir X1 Pro is an absolute winner. It gets rid of almost every single thing that makes traditional drones a pain. And that kind of leaves us with a final thought. The X1 Pro isn't trying to win the war on specs with more pixels or longer flight times. It's winning by reducing friction, by making things easier. And it makes you wonder, maybe the next big thing in tech isn't about what a device can do, but about how easily it lets you